Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been a minute since I made a video, so I am back here to show you guys this bomb HD transparent frontal. This wig is from O'Hare. It's a 22-inch wig and it's a 13 by 6 frontal, and I really like how soft it is. Now I'm not gonna lie, it's shedding like a lot. And I thought it was just shedding due to the fact that I plucked the frontal. Maybe that's the case, I'm not sure. Just not too bad, but it's to the point where I have to go like, I wanna like do this with my hands, you know, afterwards, after rubbing in it. But it's really thick. It's not too thick as far as like the hair is just, I don't know. I kind of prefer for the hair to not be overly dramatic thick. Like, I have a small head anyway. As you seen at the beginning of this video, I showed you guys how I completely constructed the wig. I don't have a cap underneath. What else did I use? I barely used any lace glue. I honestly didn't need any lace glue. As you also seen in the video how they have the hooks, it reminded me of a bra. How it has the hooks on it, and everything is just like so fitted. Like, honestly, I wish all my wigs came like this. As far as the band around it, it has the extra band in the inside of the wig. It's also, it's a 360, I believe, because the way it's made at the bottom, and it's just really perfect fitting. They gave me, I'm pretty sure on the website is going to be an option for you to get a small cap or a large cap or a medium cap. I just said that all backwards. Small, medium, or large. I got a small cap. Like I said, my head is really small. So as I said before, I was going to put like big curls in it or whatever, but I'm like, no, it's giving me that classy, just put a little nice little wave at the bottom. It really isn't holding in a curl because I actually curled it, and right when I brushed it out, it came down to this, which is fine. So I'm kind of glad that I didn't go for that because it gives you that silky texture. So I feel like if I would have made like tried to make big curls in it, it probably would have came out perfectly, you know, how full I wanted it to be. So this wig is going to be purposely for like that soft, classy curl. I like it though. I mean, this is my first time wearing it. You know, I just put it on. I just, you know, constructed this wig and put it on my head. So I will be making an update on it. I will be also doing another video like as far as like a makeup look or like an outfit look with it. You know, I've been gone from YouTube for a minute, but I'm coming back and I'm coming strong. So I hope you guys like this. I will definitely leave all of the info down below. I'm going to give this wig honestly a 9.5. I'm not going to give it anything lower than that. I really want to give it a 10, but like I said, I have to be true to all of my lovely subscribers. I have to let you guys know what it really is with this hair, but I'm going to give it a 9.5 only because it's kind of been shedding a lot. Like, I had to sweep my beauty room up but I really feel like it's because of all the plucking that I did, and it was still like shedding or whatever like that. But we will see. I'm going out later tonight, going on a dinner date. And if it continues to shed, if it sheds on my shirt or something, then I'll let you guys know. But it is a really great wig. This is my first time actually doing the transparent HD frontal, and I think I'm going to stick with this. It was really easy to bleach. I usually bleach my wigs for about 25 to 30 minutes. I was like looking at it. I put the timer on my phone and I looked at it about 6 minutes. 6 minutes left, so I only did it for a total of like 19 minutes. And also I used developer 30 volume developer, and yeah, for about 19 minutes. Made sure it was really in the wig. You know, the paste wasn't too soupy. It was like a thick type of paste that I make my bleach and my developer together. When I mix it together, I try not to have it too soupy because that's when it gets through to the hair, and then the hair starts looking all blind and yellowishy and stuff like that, and I don't like that. I've messed up plenty of wigs doing that, but this wig came out perfectly fine. I did everything today in no time. It dried pretty quick. I just used the blow dryer to hold, you know, against it. It was really easy to apply, and the lace held down. Like I said, I didn't need a lot of glue, but I didn't need glue at all. If you ever want to have a wig that's glueless, which I'll be wearing this glueless, but I'm going out with a man, so I don't want to look crazy in my wig, get the slip, and I don't know what we're doing. I don't know what. So, but I did put like a little bit of Ghost Bond, as I also showed at the beginning of this video, and it's holding down really good. I'm really, yeah, I'm in love. I like that it looks natural. I didn't pluck it too much. I'm really not a fan of too many baby hairs for certain wigs and certain looks. So this look, I feel like it's so classy and just like simple, and I didn't want it to be just like too swoop-de-doo in the front, you know, just that's just me. But I'm gonna give this wig a 9.5. Thank you so much to O'Hare. Like I said, it's going to be down below in my description box. Please let me know what you guys think about this wig. It's pretty full, as you can see. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and also the like button, and I will see you guys in my next video.